What is going on, Shiba Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and some really big exchange listing news. Now, first and foremost, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And of course, Shib has been our #1 holding of 2021, and I'm so proud to be a part of this beautiful community. And make sure, if you've made any money on Shib or any of the other tokens that we have mentioned on the channel, you smash that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. We're about to approach 110,000 new subscribers. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Now let's go ahead and dive into Shib. So I'm looking at the 7-day chart here on CoinMarketCap, and you guys can see mainly we're consolidating right around the 7,000 mark. And you guys know Shib is very well known for consolidation. We've seen consolidation pretty much, for the last, if we're looking at the 3-month chart, we see it for a long period of time, followed by significant upside movement, and then consolidating, significant upside movement, slight correction. So again, if the pattern continues, I'm anticipating no longer than maximum, maybe another week or two of consolidation, unless of course a catalyst comes into place, which will change the trajectory for our favorite crypto asset. Currently still ranked 9th by market cap, sitting at $37 billion. I know there are a couple things that we're looking forward to, and the first is correction of that circulating supply. That has been one of the things that has spread FUD around the community, which had people begin selling, of course, after we reached our peak right around 88,000 Satoshi unit marks. Now, a couple things that I want to also mention, guys, for those of you who are new to the channel or maybe haven't taken the opportunity to get some free money. There's a link in the description below for Webull, so make sure you get your 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 penny into your Webull brokerage account. Again, it's for free, and you get $5 worth of free Shiba Inu tokens, also from Webull, because it's a new listing of theirs when you deposit $1 into your account. There's a link in the description for Patreon, and a place for investors to get together and start talking all things crypto. We do our DD goals. I always make sure to put you guys on before I even create any type of content around tokens that I really like. We're at 734 members, so if you haven't already, go ahead and check out what I have on Patreon and consider joining. Now, Kraken Exchange. They responded, guys. About a couple hours ago, Kraken came back and said, #ShibaArmy. We've heard you loud and clear. Community is an important part of our consideration for all listings, and you have clearly shown your support. There's more work for us to do as we move forward and move through our listing review process. So guys, as basically the answers to that and the response is, we're approved. We are going to be getting listed on Kraken as Shiba Inu token as soon as they figure out what's going on their end. We know Shib, we show a lot of support and love to any exchange that lists us. And that's one thing that I really love about the Shiba Army is we make sure to show them, via our buy orders that we are really happy to see them list our favorite token on their exchanges. So again, big shout out to Kraken. It was actually one of the first exchanges I was introduced to back in 2017 when I first got into crypto. So the fact that they're looking to list Shib, it's kind of a little bit nostalgic for me, and I'm pretty excited to see that. In addition, KuCoin actually created more people. What you guys are seeing now, Crypto.com and other brokerages are creating trading pairs with Shib and Doge. Because people keep saying, I want to sell my Dogecoin for my Shib coin, and vice versa, but mainly people who want to get rid of their Doge and get into Shib. All respect for both communities. Of course, you guys know, biased as the Shib Army is my big community here. I do want to mention that this here is going to be an opportunity for the new wave of retail investors to start getting in. Because guess what? As soon as Robinhood lists Shiba Inu, we're going to see an influx, of course, of new investors. So those who are currently invested into Dogecoin, because guess what? We now openly know that Elon holds no Shib. So the Elon effect, he did his part in the beginning of the first quarter of the year, but now it's really no longer there for Dogecoin. So people are starting to find what is the next big asset and which asset could really become a top 3 crypto based off the community presence. That, in my opinion, is Shiba Inu. The petition is approaching 500,000 signatures, guys. 500,000 people have almost signed the Robinhood petition. So again, we're just waiting. It's literally just a waiting game at this point. A lot of rumors. And people are asking me, Pop, isn't it already priced in? Wouldn't it already be priced in for Robinhood to list Shib? And if they do, it's not going to really affect the price? No, because there's a lot of retail investors that utilize Robinhood's platform that are literally on standby. As soon as the listing happens, they're going to jump right in because of the ease of access. And you guys know I always talk about barrier of entry. The harder it is to get a token that has a lot of potential, the more gains are going to be made once it gets listed on a readily accessible brokerage or platform. So again, just always trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So folks, a couple other things, of course. I wanted to mention that we are approaching 900,000 holders. A big shout out to the Shib Informer. Just about an hour ago, he said, #Shib is about to hit 900,000 holders. Also, Leash is at 26,000 and Bone at 34. This ecosystem, this community, guys, is exceeding all expectations of any analyst and any person that has been in this market. Look at the people that have been talking crypto for years now. They have been just mind blown by what Shiba Inu has done and our community. So again, that's why I always tell you guys right now, in the end of 2021, it is literally the best time for us to look for not only Shiba Inu, but other tokens that are very similar in the sense that they have, again, a very positive and diligent development team, a community backing behind them, and a vision. Because people are saying, NFT games are kind of getting saturated now. A lot of them are coming out, these IGOs, initial game offerings. But I say, hey, how many video games are there currently for different gaming platforms? There's the Call of Duties, the FPSs or first person, right? There are the MMORPGs. There's just so many different types of games that are succeeding in their own lanes. So I think from these IGOs, there's going to always be one NFT game that's really good in terms of this platform or that platform. And that's why I say diversification is key. And when we find opportunities, we want to make sure we take advantage of them as they present themselves and we take profits along the way. We have been making a lot of profits lately and we want to keep this ball rolling by finding micro cap, smaller than even maybe even $1 million micro cap companies that have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x potential. So again, just trying to put you guys on, and that's why I have the Patreon and the YouTube channel membership, of course, also get to be made aware. In addition, one thing that I came across earlier today was this here. This article from 2018 that says vetting cryptocurrencies, how to know if a cryptocurrency is here to stay. And I think this is very important because we know a lot of these cryptos will not last the test of time. A lot of them won't. Shiba Inu, in my opinion, will be definitely one. And a lot of the ones I've been recently covered, I think they all have pretty strong potential. But what we need to focus on and pay attention to is how to realize, hey, this token actually would be a bad one. I should not put money into. So again, if you see no white paper on their website, and I'll put the link for this article below because I think everybody should have access to it. But if they don't have any white paper, or if they have, again, if they're a closed source and they won't share the code, does it have members, right? No community presence. That's a big red flag. Or also if they don't have any of the development team that's willing to dox. That's also potentially a red flag. Obviously, we have seen Shiba Inu do really well without doxing their team, but there's only one Shib out there. There's not too many. So always make sure we keep that in mind as we go forward. And that's what I'm making sure. Any coin that I introduce, I ensure that the development team is willing to dox themselves, at least to me, if not the entire community via live stream or on their website. So folks, as we get going through this bull run, we have to continue to take advantage and also make sure that we are making the right investment decisions as we move forward. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate your guys' love and support. Smash the like button before you exit the video and consider subscribing, please. Thank you so much. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.